synthesize by adopting Hammers and Ockman methods. For graphene oxide synthesis, we require the apparatus like magnetic stirrer, ice bath, round bottom flux measuring cylinder, and chemical requires 2 gram of graphite powder, potassium permanganate, deionized water, acetone, concentrated HCl, concentrated H2SO4 and hydrogen peroxide. We take a beaker and set up the ice bath. We take 2 gram of graphite powder, add 46 ml of concentrated H2SO4 above the graphite powder. To mix both graphite powder and concentrated H2SO4, I have turned on the magnetic stirrer for 20 minutes. After mixing both graphite powder and concentrated H2SO4, add 6 gram of KMnO4 slowly for 4 hours under constant stirring and maintain the temperature below 20 degrees centigrade. We take small amount of KMnO4 and add here. After the adding of KMnO4 completely, the solution becomes changed to a green color. The ice bath has removed, which will increase the temperature about 30 to 35 degrees centigrade for 30 minutes under continuous stirring. Now 30 minutes have gone and we add 92 ml of deionized water in this solution and allow to stir for 1 hour. After 1 hour, again we add 140 ml of deionized water above the solution. (140 ml of deionized water was added, which was followed by 30% of hydrogen peroxide. Add above this solution 20 ml of 30% H2O2. After stirring for 6 hours and solution kept for overnight, you can see the solid sediment settle down in round bottom flux. Now we decant the supernatant part . Now the solid product will be separated by centrifugation method. We separate the sediment part into centrifugation. The solid product of the solution will be washed by 5% HCl solution for 6 to 7 times under centrifugation method. To centrifuge the product, we need to maintain the equal amount of solution in both centrifuge tubes. Now we are going to centrifuging the sample at 12,000 rpm for 10 minutes. After repeating centrifugation, the solution for 6 to 7 times, we confirm that sulfide ion is removed from the solution. Now, we need to remove fluoride ion again in same process by using warm water by centrifugation method. Now, we need to remove the fluoride ion again in same process by using warm water for 6 to 7 times for removal of fluoride ion from this solution. After confirmation the removal of fluoride ion from this solution, we need to wash this solution by acetone 3 to 4 times to make it moisture free. After washing the solution for 3 to 4 times by acetone, we need to keep this solution at air oven at 65 degrees centigrade for overnight to dry. We take 1 gram of synthesized graphite oxide in 100 ml water and exfoliate it through ultrasonication for 3 hours to make graphite oxide to graphene oxide.